As of April 2025, there are several important updates to travel regulations for visitors to Europe. Here's what you need to know. 1. Implementation of the Entry-Exit System, EES. In October 2025, the European Union will introduce the Entry-Exit System, EES, aiming to enhance border security by electronically recording entry and exit data of non-EU nationals at Schengen area borders. This system will replace traditional passport stamping, capturing biometric data such as fingerprints and facial images. Second, postponement of the European Travel Information and Authorization System, ETIAS. Initially scheduled for mid-2025, the ETIAS has been postponed to late 2025-2026. Once operational, ETIAS will require travelers from visa-exempt countries to obtain an online travel authorization before entering Schengen area countries. The application will involve a fee of €7 and is expected to be valid for 3 years or until passport expiration, whichever comes first. 3. Introduction of Electronic Travel Authorization, ETA, for the United Kingdom. Beginning in January 2025, the UK has implemented the Electronic Travel Authorization, ETA system. Travelers from visa-exempt countries, including the United States, must obtain an ETA before entering the UK. The application fee is £10 and the ETA is valid for 2 years or until passport expiration. Fourth, potential impact on travel costs and procedures. The upcoming border regulations, including EES and ETIAS, are expected to streamline entry processes but may also lead to increased travel costs. For instance, Venice has introduced a visitor fee during peak times to manage tourism. Recommendations for travelers. Stay informed. Regularly check official EU and UK government websites for the latest updates on travel regulations and authorization requirements. Plan ahead. Apply for necessary travel authorizations well in advance of your planned travel dates to avoid potential delays. Budget. Accordingly, be prepared for additional costs associated with new travel authorizations and potential border processing fees. By staying informed and planning ahead, travelers can navigate the evolving European travel landscape with greater ease and confidence.